Want to improve the quality of your edits? VideoStar has the ability to record and edit in HD. HD stands for high definition, which has more pixels than SD, otherwise known as standard definition or 360p. The more pixels, the sharper the image. VideoStar supports 3 HD resolutions: 720p, 1080p, and 4K. Please note that because 4K video is 4 times bigger than 1080p, editing in 4K can cause VideoStar to operate slower and use more memory. Using a higher resolution project won't cause the content to look better if it was originally a lower resolution. To change the resolution, tap the Settings button on the main screen. Under New Project Resolution, make your selection. Once the new resolution is selected, all new projects will be created with that resolution. This will not change the quality of previously made projects. Looking to refine your quality after editing? Check out the sharpen and quality effects in Transform.